she said she will give me completion with my mom. I complete with my brother, she will complete me with my mom. And between the two of them. And then when it's the first time I've experienced actually initiation, all this silence. Through all that silence with Swamiji. And when the Amalinga was on the throat, I had some negative words coming in my mind, but I dropped it consciously. And before I felt I don't have power to drop negative words consciously, but it was like, no, I'm now Paramashiva, I need this space to be pure for me and others to be healed, so I can't take negative stuff, so it was dropped. And I'm still, all this power is still settling down. Thank you, Swamiji.
Chutney and PSS. Maya, every morning you are coming to make breakfast.
Yes, I'm learning the recipes a lot, so I can take them home with me. And be Sattvic with this, I'm going to be so active and keep my bliss.
我在这边就是在 LA 的凯拉萨寺庙学怎么做这些阿育吠陀的饮食，然后我觉得最重要的是我学了一个很重要的，就是 Ma Krishna 我们的大厨教我说，cook is not work, is meditation。我觉得这句话很美。就是任何时候，就是煮菜我都会太急，但是在这里我学到说煮菜它其实不是工作，就是冥想状态，真的很我学到最重要的一句话，谢谢 ，Thank you， 李佳能。
超级好吃的有机素食，我们在美国洛杉矶台湾凯拉萨寺庙，然后每天我们都会吃很多种有机的素食，然后有11种，非常的丰盛，对我们的身体很好，非常棒，大家快点来哦，谢谢。
Food is very delicious and very healthy. We like it and it's very good and very delicious. Thank you so much. Every day eating this very delicious. Feeling very empty. The energy is so good. We love it so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Very peaceful.